Good morning guys. Thank you sa pagsubaybay ninyo sa aking YouTube channel. Ito, magro-grocery kami. At saka dito sa Canora, every Wednesday merong market day. Meron silang binibenta na handcraft, fresh produce, baked goods. Ayan. Dito kami sa ng cottage ng friend namin. Kasi dito namin pinapark yung kotse namin. Ayan. Kasi meron silang road access. Kaya, yan. Dito kami nagpa-park. Ayan yung kotse namin. Ayan. Especially, this weekend is long weekend. Ini-scratch kasi nila yung tawag dito, yung sasakyan doon sa public parking. Ini-scratch nila. Kaya for the long weekend, we're going to park here so the car doesn't get scratched. Ayan. Kiniki kasi nila eh. Kiniki yung they key your car. We experienced it before. We have a rental. They key it. And it's not cheap. Thank God it was covered with the insurance. So, ayan. We're just going to market this morning. Okay guys. Ayan yung mga paligid nila. Thanks for watching. Bye.